Coming up on 5:49, just about 5:50 here on this Thursday morning. Breezy conditions, but I'm up in the mountain counties. Mainly if you look at the street light, you see a little bit of those light snow flurries, which have lingered behind overnight, even giving us some accumulation. When I say that, just like a dusting that we can see on the awnings and some of the roadways here just off of King Street in Boone. So while we get our morning started, some light blue specks on that radar indicating the light snow flurries that have lingered in the higher elevations. And again, that's the only area that has any moisture left over from what was yesterday morning in terms of the cloud cover and those isolated storms that rolled through packing a punch. So much quieter on radar. Still will be hosting the breezy and windy conditions and the blustery conditions up through our mountain counties. Still looking at high pressure in control, continuing to leak east through our Gulf states. And we'll be keeping an eye on a low pressure system that will be flowing out of the Rockies and of course the West Coast with another cold front sweeping into the Queen City. So while Friday gets increasing cloud cover ahead of a warm front, which helps bring us into the 60s, Saturday gets into the 70s before we'll have mostly cloudy skies, produce those rain chances late Saturday into your Sunday. So I'm looking at overnight, Saturday into Sunday morning. Rain for the Queen City, I-40 corridor points north. Could see a little bit more of that wintry mix, potential for snow. I'm not necessarily buying that stretching down further south, as again, Sunday will be on the cooler side behind that cold front before we rebound into the warmer conditions early next week. Let's talk wind gusts, because that's going to be a feature that we combat, something that will be really sticking around throughout the day. Up to 50 to 60 mile per hour wind gusts. Mountain counties, I think we'll have 30-mile-per-hour winds for the Queen City, but with the significant winds and the blustery conditions in the higher elevations, we'll have that high wind warning for Asher, Avery, Watauga, northern Caldwell County lasting through 7 p.m. this evening. So we start off in the upper 30s now, 20s for our mountain counties. 7-day forecast shows the 50s turning into 60s for Friday. The weekend starts in the 70s, finishes off in the 50s, and then we'll be back into the 60s and 70s with sunshine to kick off early next week. You're watching Queen City News Now, the most local news in Charlotte. We'll be right back.